Yeah, hello guys. So I feel this is the best option for as many persons that are actually qualified for the TOMA airdrop. So this is actually the best option for you since it hasn't listed yet. So I would advise that you should just take your TOMA so you can earn a share of the farming revenue pool, the farming pool revenue. So and that's I will do in this video. So what you are going to do now, you're already on your airdrop page on your TOMA to market. So what you should do is you are going to see stake already, so and it's actually functioning right now. So the countdown is gone. Just click on stake and then you see blockchain. You can see participants benefit 100% TGE qualified. So it means that at token generation event you'll be able to have your 100% to market. Do you get that? So if you actually get to stake your toma to earn doc, so I think that is the brilliant thing anyone would want to do. So now just click on hen. Click on hen. So once you click on hen, there you have it. Now the project TGE time fourth quarter 2024. So we are in the fourth quarter already. So let's say maybe December or later this month. So what you can do, just click on stake now and stake anything you have. So click on stake now. So and how would you get to do that? So you have to do all of these three tasks that you can see here. Join the blockchain app, subscribe to blockchain channel, and follow blockchain on Twitter. So let's start. Click on start to join the blockchain app. So you join the blockchain app, you can go back, you click on start to join the channel. So click on join. All right, so go back and click on start and follow blockchain on Twitter. All right, so you're following blockchain on Twitter, so you've actually finished those three tasks. So click on next. So and then how many toma are you actually gonna invest? So for me, I'm actually going to stake everything. I'm going to stake everything, and I'm going to click on confirm. So you can decide to stake everything, you can decide to stake half, but for me I'm staking everything. There's no point in me having to keep some of it back. Do you get that? So I'm going to click on confirm. So all right, stake successful. So now I have staked everything completely. So now the pool is actually going to close in 3 days time. So you have to do it as quick as possible, and also before this total tomark stake pool actually gets to fill up. Do you get that? So I think if you want to do that, kindly do it right now immediately. So I think that should be all for this video. So if you have some other suggestions for me to make videos on, some questions, kindly drop it in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like this video, do not forget to share with your friends, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And until next time, this is FinTech Space with Steambees. Bye for now.